Good morning. My name is Shubham Gudiwal, and as my today's topic is multi-threading in Java. Multi-threading in Java. What is thread? Thread in Java basically a lightweight and the simplest unit of process in Java use threads by using the thread class. There are two types of thread: user thread and daemon thread. Daemon thread are used when we want to clean the application and are used in the background. When an application for being thread is a create post, we can create many user threads and example, single thread example, package demonstrate, public class, public static void main string args, system.println, single threads is a example of single thread. Advantage of single thread: reduce overhead in the application. A single thread execute in the system. Second one is also it reduce in maintenance cost of the application. What is multi-threading in Java? Multi-threading in Java, a process of executing uh, two more thread simultaneously to maximum alternatives of a CPU multi-thread application execute two or more thread run uh, concurrently. Hence, it also known as concurrency in Java. Each thread run parallel to each other. Multiple thread don't allocate a separate memory area, hence they save memory. Also, context switching between thread takes less time. Uh, Advantage of multi-thread: first one is the user are not blocked because threads are independent and we can perform multiple operations at a time. Second one is as such such threads are independent. The other thread one won't get attends of one thread meet an uh, exception. Thread lifecycle in Java: lifecycle thread: first new, and then runnable, and running, waiting, and dead. It is a uh, cy- uh, cycle in Java. Therein were various life cycle. First one is new, second one is runnable, third one is running, fourth one is waiting, and then fifth dead. New: in this phase, the thread is created using class thread class. It remains in the state till the program and start the thread. It also known as horn thread. Runnable: in this page, uh, the instance of the thread is invoked the with start method. The thread control is given to scheduler to finish the execution. It depends on the scheduler whether to run the thread. Running: when the thread start executing, the states in change running state. The scheduler selects one thread from the thread pool and it starts executing in the application. Fourth one is waiting. Is the state when the thread has to wait as their multiple threads are running in the application. There is a need for synchronizations between thread. Hence, one thread has to wait till the other thread get executed. Therefore, these states is referred as a waiting state. Dead: this is the states This is the states when thread is terminated. The thread is running state as soon as completed processing is dead state. Okay. uh, method in multi-threading. First one is start is this method is the execution of thread, and JVM calls the run method on the thread. Sleep int milliseconds. This method makes the thread sleep, hence the thread's executions will pause for milliseconds provide, and after that again, and the thread start executing the help in a synchronization of the thread. Get name, it returns the name of the thread. Set point, set priority in the new priority. It change the priority of the thread yield. It calls current thread on help, um, and other threads to execute. Explanation code. Thread synchronization. In multi-threading, there is the uh, asynchronous behavior of the program. If one thread is writing some data, and another thread which is reading data at the same time might create inconsistency in the application. When there is need to access the shared resource by two or more threads, by synchronization approach is utilized. Java has provided synchronized method is a template synchronization behavior. In this approach, when the thread reaches inside the synchronization block, then no other thread can call that method on the same objects. All threads have wait till that thread finish the synchronized block and comes out